to my channel JOBS4HIRE. I hope you are all doing well. From today onwards, I am gonna to teach you MBA, BBA or HRM related content for the students who can learn and build their career. So today let's start about HRM. What is HRM? HRM means Human Resource Management, which means it is a process of recruiting, developing, motivating, retaining employees in an organization. Simply, we say managing people at work. Let's see about importance of HRM. The first one is about which helps to select right person to right job. Second one, which improves employee performance. Third one, which improves job satisfaction. And fourth one, which is reduces employee turnover. And now let's see about functions of HRM. These are the key activities which are helpful in HR department in any company. The first one is human resource planning, second one recruitment and selection, third one training and development, fourth one performance appraisal, fifth one compensation and salary management, sixth one employee welfare, seventh one industrial relations. So now see the real time HR example. In my previous company, when I was working as a recruiter, we had an requirement called BA role, which means business analyst role. So, first I did the discussion with my hiring manager about what is the requirement needed for the client. They need SQL, Excel, problem solving skills, and communication skills. Then I started looking for right candidate to place. So I searched on different job portals like Naukri, LinkedIn. Then I screened the candidates and took interview to know about their interest and experience. Once I found the right candidate, then I scheduled the interview with the client and coordinate entire process until the final selection. So this is the one of the example for recruitment and selection. HRM means not only hiring but also to place the right candidate and helps to grow organization. So in this class what we have learned, we learned about what is HRM, why it is important, functions of HRM, and a real example from HR world. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe for JOBS4HIRE.